On the important dates, one of the things that we had previously, actually, let me just come down here and show the old screen as well. In the important dates, you'll see there was this show all dates and this little search icon. So with the show all dates, what it does is if a date is not set to show all the time, and if it's blank, it will be hidden. Some of these are set to show all the time, so they're showing even though they are blank. But we allow lots of different dates. You can turn in the configuration section, you can choose which dates you want to use or not use. But we did have this option here for show all dates, in which case you can see all the different date fields. And it's kind of a monstrous type of thing to look at. But what's happening is it puts it all the way down here at the bottom. If I want to hide it, I've got to go scroll down and do that again. Likewise, if I wanted to search for a date, I was having to go down to the bottom and then do the search. So if I come in here, I want to search for last email, whatever. It finds last email in any of the dates, and then I can do what I want to with them. What I didn't really like is being down at the bottom, out of the way or whatever. So what I did was change it. So in the toolbar here, we've got the show dates as a little eyeball. So you can either show them or hide them. And then also the search of the dates. So it'll still come in here, and I can say, last whatever. And then even if they're hidden, they will still show up whenever the search is used. So this just gives you a quick way to access those, and it's always at the top this way.